What's up, guys? Every spring I go on a short shopping odyssey looking for new shorts. One of the problems being a short dude is that you can never find shorts that don't come down to like the mid shin, and the crotch of the shorts is always real long, but I think I found my spot this year. In years past, I have shopped for shorts and have found good options at J. Crew, Banana Republic, and The Gap, but the colors aren't that great. But this year, guess where I'm going? Express. They have an insane selection of flat front fitted shorts as well as fitted cargo shorts. So I'm going to try them on and I'm going to bring you with me. These are actually the photographer shorts, like the photographer pants. They're gonna fit slim to the thigh, have a mid-rise. I'm gonna try a pair on. Check them out. I think they look great. Flat front, mid-rise, not too tight in the thigh, but not too baggy. Nice. What do you think? Let's try the gray ones on. And this is why you try them on. These actually don't fit me as well. Same size, different color, but they don't fit as well. This is why you gotta try on different colors and don't just buy right off the rack without trying. I had to size down on these, but I think they fit a lot better. I found another color I like too. You're gonna love these. Red. Alright, so my little short shopping excursion is finished for today. I ended up going with the coral, or the red, and I went with the light blue. Two colors that I didn't have, and I thought they'd be a lot of fun. Combine it just with a simple white v-neck or a black v-neck, and they're gonna look great. Stepping outside of the box this season, gentlemen, you're seeing a lot more people and men wearing bright colors. And so, you know, why not? Roll the dice. And usually, the things that I take the risks on are the things I end up liking the most. So, gentlemen, Express, great shorts this season.